Climate scientists warn Nordic ministers of changing Atlantic Ocean current. Reuters. More than 40 climate scientists are urging Nordic ministers to prevent global warming from causing a major change in an Atlantic Ocean current, which could trigger abrupt shifts in weather patterns and damage ecosystems. A collapse of the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, a system of ocean currents that transports warm water into the North Atlantic and provides Europe its mild climate, could put living conditions for people in the Arctic region and beyond at risk, according to the SC. Below are your comments. I don't believe humans will be able to reverse or change the effects of global warming, whether it has been exacerbated by mankind or is natural occurring condition. CO2 is a rounding error in our atmospheric makeup. Another hoax article. By volume, the dry air in Earth's atmosphere is about 78.08% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen, and 0.93% argon. A brew of trace gases accounts for the other approximately 0.04%, including the greenhouse gases carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone. Some say planting trees can have no impact on rising sea levels, yet it is at least a proactive measure that certainly can't hurt. Introducing or reintroducing beaver increases surface water and, more importantly, raises the water table immeasurably. At least that's something not to worry. We can provide the hardest hit countries with some carbon credits. That will take care of it. Oh snap. If these Nordic countries succeed in shifting the Atlantic Ocean currents, the wave action to the New England area might swamp Obama's $14 million Martha's Vineyard ocean home. We can't have that. He wouldn't have bought the spread if he knew these countries would totally shift the currents of the ocean. Unfair. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.